In this video, I will show you how to play Mecha on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Mecha is a strategy game which has been developed by Lay Games, and you can actually play this on PC using something called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an app player, it's an Android emulator, so what that allows you to do is play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now to get started with this, what you're going to want to do is, if you come below this video, in the video description there will be a link to click, and what that's going to do is take you across to the official website, which is going to look like this. On this website you're going to see a Play Mecha on PC button. Give that a click to download BlueStacks onto your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished downloading, give it a click and just run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Here we are back on my desktop. I've run through the steps and I've now installed BlueStacks. Now at this point you're going to get a window come up like this. All you need to do is click onto the blue launch button. What it's going to do is open up BlueStacks on your PC, and as long as you do click the link in the video description down below, what it's going to do is automatically take you to the download page for Mecha. At this point you're going to see a install from Google Play button. Go ahead and give that a click, and what you want to do is log in with your Google account as well. And once you've done that, it's going to take you across to the installation page. At this point, you're going to see a blue install button. Just go ahead, give that a click, and what that's going to do is start downloading and installing Mecha onto your PC, which you'll of course be able to use and play using BlueStacks. So it's only 432 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long to download and install. But just while it is downloading, I just want to run through some reasons really why I personally use BlueStacks to play on PC. Now, of course, there's a number of great reasons and benefits and advantages on playing on PC, so especially with BlueStacks. Now, what I'm going to start with is game controls, because personally I prefer to use a keyboard and mouse rather than touchscreens. So of course, playing on a PC, especially with BlueStacks, is going to give you preset controls to use your keyboard and mouse, but there is the option to also customize them to your personal preferences if you choose to do so. One thing I really like about BlueStacks is the macros feature. So what this allows you to do is record and replay actions with just a single key press, which is really handy for games like Mecha. Another thing I really like about BlueStacks is the built-in real-time translation feature. What this allows you to do is play any Android game in your local language. So if there's a game that's come out that's not available yet in your country, or maybe this game's exclusive to other countries which you've been wanting to play but of course you can't for language barrier reasons, well, with BlueStacks built-in real-time translation feature, this is something that is now possible. As you can see, it's going to automatically convert the language into your local language for a smooth gameplay experience, allowing you to play games earlier before they get released in your country, and of course games that are exclusive to other countries. Naturally, playing on a PC is also going to give you a much higher frame rate, so that's going to give you a much better, smoother gameplay experience. Combined with playing on a bigger screen is absolutely great for gaming, it's just more immersive, and of course you'll be able to play all your Android games in full HD. So that's a couple of reasons why I personally love BlueStacks, but as you can see there's a number of really cool features of using BlueStacks. For example, scripting, where you can set up scripting to automate repetitive in-game tasks, and you can see there's just a host of really cool features for BlueStacks. Coming back to BlueStacks, the game has finished downloading. You can see it's just installing, and we are now installed and we are good to go. So at this point all you would do is click onto play, and what it's going to do is launch Mecha on the BlueStacks app player. So what I'm going to do is just accept the terms of service and just jump into the game itself so I can show you how good BlueStacks is, how it plays, and basically how the experience is playing on a PC. Here we are. As you can see from the initial intro animation video, this is running really smooth. There's no lag or screen tearing or anything like that. It's actually really good. The picture is very crystal clear, it's very sharp, and what I'm going to do now is actually just come up and skip past this intro video so we can jump into the gameplay itself, and you can see how the game actually plays. So let's go ahead and select our landing area. As you can see, I'm using my mouse here, so I'm going to click, and this is working absolutely fine with my mouse, no problem at all. If you do want to check the on-screen controls, what they are for your keyboard and mouse at any point, if you come across to the right hand side and click onto this keyboard icon where it says game controls, you can see a toggle here to toggle on-screen controls. So when we actually get into the game, if there are on-screen controls, then they're going to highlight here and it's going to tell you what controls what basically. As you can see, the game looks absolutely beautiful on PC. It's very sharp, very crystal clear. It runs really smooth and really quick as well. There's, as mentioned, no lag or anything like that. And as you can see, I'm using my mouse to just adjust control and click around and things like that. So that is how to play Mecha on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.